Alright, today we're going to demonstrate two things. The efficacy of ZymeAway on mold stains on vinyl siding, and also the safety of our product. Many people have contacted our offices and asked, how safe is ZymeAway? I'm going to demonstrate that for you. But first, we're going to show you our upside down sprayer that's available on our website, how we can clean this mold stain off this vinyl siding. I'm going to spray straight ahead, even get up into this window area here. Then I'm going to turn it upside down so I get up underneath there. That's the value of this upside down sprayer. Great for hard to get areas. Watch how fast. A little bit underneath. We're going to let that set for a moment. Now I'm going to show you the safety of this product. I brought with me today my toothbrush. Talking about the safety, let me demonstrate. Try that with your chemical cleaner. ZymeAway. Safe and effective. Now we're going to rinse off the vinyl siding. It looks brand new. That's 25 years of mold stain gone in less than 1 minute.